In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view activity log in Xero. This quick walkthrough will help you see who's signing into your organization and when, which is great for keeping tabs on security and understanding recent account activity. Start by heading to Xero.com in your web browser. Once you're signed in, make sure you're looking at the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. At the top of the Xero interface, find your organization's name, click that name to open the drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to organization level options, so if you don't immediately see what you need elsewhere on the page, this is the place to check first. From that drop-down, choose Settings. The Settings area lets you control how your organization is configured. If you don't see Settings, you may not have the necessary user role. In that case, an administrator or the subscriber on the account can grant you access. Assuming you can open it, you'll land in a section that manages key organization features, including user permissions. Inside Settings, select Users. This page lists everyone who can access your organization in Xero. You'll see names, roles, and status information that indicate who has access and what level of control they have. This is also where you can verify that the right people are set up with the correct permissions, which is important before reviewing any activity. Next, look for login history and click it. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab or a link within the Users section. The login history view shows recent sign-in attempts for your organization. Here, you'll typically see the date and time of each login, whether the attempt was successful, the general location or IP address, and the device or browser used. Times are shown in your Xero time zone settings, so if something looks off, double-check your organization's time zone configuration. As you review the activity, scan for anything unusual like repeated failed attempts, unexpected locations, or sign-ins at odd hours. If you work in a team, it's normal to see activity from multiple users, but patterns that don't match your operations are worth noting. If you notice anything suspicious, consider tightening access by reviewing user roles, ensuring multi-factor authentication is enabled for your team, and following your internal security processes. That's it. Go to Xero.com, open your organization's name menu, head into Settings, choose Users, and then log in history to view your activity log. Keep this page in mind for periodic audits, especially after onboarding new staff or making changes to permissions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.